All right, today I'm going to show you how to operate this Whirlpool stacking washing machine and dryer right here. So it's a Whirlpool stacking washing machine and dryer. I'm going to show you how to use it. We're going to start with the washing machine and then I'm going to work my way to the dryer. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to wash some clothes. A really small load of clothes down there. We're going to wash them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in. I'm going to open up the washing machine and it sticks right up here with a magnet. The magnet holds it together and so you can go ahead and add the clothes in there. All right, so there's some compartments in here. I'm going to go over with you. But the first thing we're going to add in here is detergent. I have a small load, as I said, so I'm going to come over here and just grab one of these pods. For larger loads, I usually use, large loads, I use two. But for this one, I just use one. So I'm just going to first put that in there. The next thing I'm going to do is I have other options. I have fabric softener, which I'm going to add, and I can add bleach right here. This is for liquid chlorine bleach, but I don't use liquid chlorine bleach, so I'm not going to use that for this right here. However, I am going to add fabric softener, liquid fabric softener to this, and the fabric softener goes in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here, and I use Snuggle. You don't have to use Snuggle. I use Snuggle fabric softener. All right, have it in this cup right here. And I'm just going to take this over here and I'm going to pour it. What you do is pour it inside of this hole right here. That's where the fabric softener goes. All right. Next, I'm going to look up here and make sure I always go ahead and look up here and make sure I go ahead and make the selection. If you're using the fabric softener, liquid fabric softener, make sure you check this to yes. All right, it's great for the washing machine. It's good for the washing machine. It knows to dispense it at the right time. So I have the liquid fabric softener selection to yes. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do after I've added the detergents and whatnot, I'm going to add the clothing. So I'm going to get down here. I have colored clothing. Okay, some dark clothing, small load. All right, it's a small load, and so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. And then I'm going to shut this. I'm just going to pull on the lid a little bit just to disconnect it from the magnet and shut it. And then I'm going to come up here to make my selections. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, yes, fabric softener, yes, there's fabric softener in here. All right, the water temperature. I have dark clothing. And with dark clothing, I use a cooler temperature. It has options for hot, warm, cool, cold, and tap cold. I don't know the difference between cold and tap cold, but I don't know. I'm just going to switch it to cold, or maybe I'll do tap cold, tap it. All right. And then next thing I'm going to do is select the type of wash. So there's a lot of different types of washes, and I'm going to go through them with you. Okay. You have your deep water washes, which is heavy. All right. Deep water wash. That's deep water wash. You have heavy duty. You have bulk items. Okay, heavy duty bulk items, I use like blankets for those, both of those right there, heavy duty. If I have a large load, I use heavy duty or bulky items. Deep wash if I really want to use a lot of water, but I try not to do that these days, but it really gets your clothes clean. Casuals, okay, that's an option. Colors, you have a quick wash option. So say for instance, you have clothing and you're just in a rush, you just need it washed really quickly. I would select that, but if you want them thoroughly done, I would use quick wash. Delicates for your delicate clothing, normal wash, drain and spin. So say for instance you have some wet clothes and you just want to drain and spin it, that's an option. And then there is the clean washer with a fresh. Clean washer with a fresh is how you clean the washing machine. You drop a fresh tablet inside of the washing machine and wash it. I'll post a link in the description part of the page on how to clean your washing machine. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and make my selection. I'm going to make my selection to normal. And so after I made that selection to normal, I'm just going to back up. And then right here, look at the controls on here. These are the wash status. It shows you if it's the sense field. So say for instance, I put in a small load of laundry like I did. It actually senses how much water to put in there based on how much clothing I have in. That's a good thing that this washing machine has going for it. It has the wash status for wash, rinse, drain, spin, done, and lock lid. And so like once I've just looked at those, made my selections, I'm going to go ahead in here and press start. And that starts the washing machine momentarily. But if I need to pause it, I'll just come back in here and pause it like that. And it starts to blink. And the only way for it to restart is to press it again for a wash, just like that. All right, so that's the wash machine. Let me pause that while I go to the dryer. And next is the dryer. Once I have like the wet clothes, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the dryer, pour it in the dryer, put it in the dryer. But before we can start, you have to clean out the lint filter. So the lint filter is right here. You pull that off. Make sure it's nice and clean because you don't want to get this caught up in there. And replace the lint filter. Once you put your clothing in there, you're gonna shut it. And then you have options right here. Right here you have, of course, the off. But we're gonna start at the off down here. You have your time dry. You can time dry it for up to 60 minutes. Great option. You have your sensor mode where it detects how dry your clothing is. You have an option for less dry, very dry, all right? You have two options for that, and again, of course, it's off right here. And then you have delicate, where it delicately dries your clothes. You have the option for less dry, very dry, and then the off. And then, say for instance, you don't want heat, there is an option for air only. You can go up to 20 minutes for air only. And once you make your selection, whatever you're selecting on, let's go to less dry, you come back over here, right here, and you press start, and it starts the dry. All right, so that's how you operate the wash machine and dryer, the Whirlpool stacking wash machine and dryer. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.